From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, Penn State. I'm JP Tracy here with your Tuesday Campus Weather Service forecast. We're going to start off by taking a live look at Beaver Stadium, and you're going to notice it's very cloudy and rainy. Temps in the 70s, low 70s, 70 degrees exactly. Dew point 68, so it's very humid as you would expect with the rainy conditions. Winds south at 3 miles per hour. We're going to take a look across the state now and notice that where it's cloudy and rainy over towards the west, near Pittsburgh, it's very cool, upper 60s. Down towards Philly, where the rain and the heavy clouds haven't gotten to yet, it's still in the lower 80s. We're going to take a live look at the radar, and you'll notice that large amount of moisture coming up from the southwest into parts of southwest PA. Near Pittsburgh and Johnstown, they're already into the heavy rains. Here in State College, not quite yet, but it's coming. Philadelphia, you can expect your heavy rains a little bit later in the evening. As we take a look, we're going to notice that there is a flash flood watch in effect for most of the western and central parts of the Commonwealth. Obviously, with all that moisture coming up, we're going to see close to 2.5, maybe even 3.5 in even locally heavier amounts of rain. So that's why that flash flood watch is in effect. And if we take a look at our future radar, look at all that moisture. Wow, look at that. Central part of the state, washout. And even into parts of late Wednesday, we'll notice that rain. Finally, it'll clear out late Wednesday into Thursday. This is going to show us the amount of rainfall that we're going to receive. And generally over western parts of this Commonwealth, you're going to notice locally 2 to 4 inches. That's a lot of rain. Very moist. Central PA, same thing. Maybe not quite as much down towards Philadelphia, but still a lot of rain. The other big story is Tropical Storm Joaquin. You'll notice it right now down off the coast of Florida. Well, not off the coast of Florida, but pretty far off the coast of Florida, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Pressure's 1,001 millibars. We're going to notice the track, the cone of uncertainty, pulls it southwest towards Florida and then just a jolt towards the north. Again, this is a cone of uncertainty, so it's not, the exact path isn't going to be this, but this is a pretty good idea. And we can see that if we take a look at the spaghetti models. Look at these models. Some have it coming in towards North Carolina, others up towards New England. But what this tells us is it will most likely affect some part of the eastern seaboard of the United States. This just shows the moisture that Joaquin will bring. As you see it move up the coast, it'll bring a lot of moisture in the east and could bring some moisture here for us at State College. Most of it will remain near the coast. Still, uncertainty with the strength and where all this moisture will be, but what we do know is that it will affect some part of the northeastern U.S. So now back to State College. Today you can expect rain showers, high around 71. The rain will get heavier towards the evening, low around 60, heavy rain overnight. And then as we take a look at our 7-day forecast, well, rain, wet, every day in through Saturday. And unfortunately, it looks like we could have some muddy tailgates on Saturday, as the uncertainty with Joaquin means that there could be some moisture moving in for the game. But if everything holds together, it looks like we may clear out and see some sun on Sunday and Monday. Once again, I'm JP Tracy, and this is your Tuesday Campus Weather Service forecast. Have a great rest of your day.